My name is Stetson Lowe, and in this clip we're going to be talking about how to stop harassing phone calls from creditors. The best way that I've found with my clients to stop those harassing phone calls is to write a written request and to send that in certified mail. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the creditors are now obligated to only contact you via mail and written letters. It's very effective, it's protected by law, and it's the best thing you could possibly do. So in that letter, you're going to want to say your name, the account that you're referencing, the account number, and one more piece of information like a date of birth or social security number to verify that you are the person on the account. And just simply state in the letter that I want to be contacted by phone and prefer to only be contacted in writing at this address, and give them that address, put that in a certified letter, mail it off, and you should never have to worry about being contacted by phone again. Should you continue to receive these bothersome phone calls after submitting your written request and giving them enough time to get that into their system, you're then protected by consumer agencies at the state and local levels, and you can first call the company one more time to give them the common courtesy of letting them know that you've written the letter and see if they acknowledge that. If they don't acknowledge that or they're giving you a hard time, go directly to a consumer protection agency at the state level, as well as the Better Business Bureau. If you're working with a reputable creditor, they do care about their reputation with the Better Business Bureau, and so if you file a complaint there, you would have a rapid response and quit all contact via harassing phone calls.